Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in Texas on this new Stryker 655 HP. James, it's ready to go for you. Max mod upgrade, ERF2030 final upgrades for durability. And we set this up where it's not going to be too radical with the RF power turned all the way down. So I'll get right to it and show you. 5-watt slug. Turns down to a little over half a watt. 100-watt slug. Turns up to about 18. Show you average power swing here. Hello, about 43 bird. But roll the RF power all the way down. Show you average power swing. Hello, about 23, 24 bird. Ought to work nicely with your amp. Peak watts, 100-watt slug. Hello, 80 peak. Alright, James, ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.